Biochar is a black carbon material produced through a pyrolysis process, which is akin to toasting bread. Organic materials like plant residues, deadwood, and other biomass are heated in a low-oxygen environment at high temperatures, resulting in a substance rich in stable carbon. While it may appear unremarkable on the surface, this toasted product holds the potential to transform the ecological environment. During plant growth, carbon dioxide is absorbed. However, traditional decomposition processes release this carbon back into the atmosphere. The pyrolysis process, on the other hand, can permanently lock away more than 50% of this carbon in biochar. When biochar is incorporated into the soil, the carbon can be stored underground for hundreds to thousands of years, serving as a natural carbon reservoir to combat climate change. In agriculture, biochar can improve soil alkalinity, enhance water retention, and promote nutrient cycling. These properties make it especially effective in rehabilitating degraded land, such as dry, acidic, or otherwise compromised soils. In the face of increasing threats from forest fires, biochar production can be applied to deal with the accumulation of dead wood and plant debris in forest areas. This not only eliminates fire hazards, but also converts the biomass into biochar, which can improve soil moisture levels and create natural fire breaks. This waste-to-resource approach is being promoted in many fire-prone regions around the world.